Enhance your website with sleek attention-grabbing buttons using the aBlocks dual button block. In this tutorial, learn how to add, style, and customize stunning dual buttons effortlessly, ensuring they look perfect on all devices. Let's get started. In the Gutenberg editor, click on the plus icon to add a new block. Search for the dual button block and insert it. Pressing on the plus icon, another button will be added. Next, click on the settings icon to open the editing panel. Select your preferred layout for the button from the General tab. Fix the alignment as you need. Set the gaps between the buttons. Choose the button type that suits your design. Select the button size for optimal fit and visibility. Choose a button. Set the position to place it perfectly on the page. Choose the type to match your design style. Here, update the text to match your call to action. Click Link Options to customize how the link behaves, like opening a new tab. In the Style section, customize the text color to match your design theme. Next, adjust the background color to create the perfect contrast. Now, let's customize another button step by step. Start by entering the button text. Next, paste your button link to make it clickable. Turn on the icon option for your button. Now, select an icon that matches your design. Customize the icon color and fine-tune its rotation angle. Set the icon size to fit perfectly within the button. Refine the icon view for a sharp appearance. Adjust the icon's position to fit perfectly. Tweak spacing to achieve visual balance. Now, let's move to the Style section for advanced button customization. Choose a border style for your design. Update the border color to align with your branding. Customize the background color for a consistent design. Dive deeper with additional customization options to make your button unique. And that's how you design a fully customized button with ease. Once you're happy with your design, click Save to finalize your changes. Now, hit Preview to see your newly created dual button design in action. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized a stunning dual button design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more aBlocks design tips and tutorials.